Hello everyone, let's see how we can run a simple Java project using Jenkins. So I have added a Java project to GitLab, and I just created a class file under src test, which is hello world.java file. Okay, and it got added to the master branch under src test. This is the file name, and it's just printing hello world in the console. And to create Jenkins project, first you have to install Jenkins. Okay, and start it. It will always start in localhost 8080 port. And you can create your credentials and then go to Jenkins and create a new project. So I have already created the project. If you want to create, you can just click on new item and give a name as suppose test project. Click on freestyle and click on OK. Okay, now we do not need to fill all these things. These are optional, and we can directly go to Git because we are going to read the project from the Git, not from not from local. So go to Git and go to the master branch and go to my project. Go to the project folder and then click on this code and then clone with HTTPS. Copy this path. Go to Jenkins and paste it. And for the credential, you can click on this. You can select if you have already created it. If you have not created it, you can go to GitLab and go to your preferences here and then go to access token. Okay. So the password here is access token and the username is your email address. So if you do not have the access token already created, you can click on add new token, give the token name, you can give any name and select the date for the expiration. This should be the maximum date. Then paste it and then select all these options. Okay, especially we need the read repository option, write repository option. So select those. Okay. So, but if you have any API selection and all, you can use this. You can select all this. Otherwise, you can simply select the read repository and write repository. Okay, and then click on create personal access token. So I have already created, copy that token, which is your password, and keep it with you. Okay, and come here, and then when you click on add, it will show you Jenkins. Click on that, and then just give the username as your email address, and the password is the access token, whatever you have created. Click on add. So when I did that, it created this access credential for me. You just have to select it. If I click on none, it will not be able to read any data from the GitLab. So select the credential and then here the branch is */master. So check which branch from which branch you are going to build the project. Okay, select that and then just leave all the steps and just to run that Java program I have added the build step. Okay, so if I just go to so click here because it's a window batch command, the command which we usually run in the command prompt, the same command we can write it here. So first of all, this is in my project. The URL which we gave is from till my project and then the branch name is master, right? So but we have our Java file in src test. Okay, so we have to go inside the src test and then only we can run this. Okay, so go here, write cd src/test. Okay, then write java c. To compile the program, write java c. Then hello what test.java. So I've given the file name as Word because I think by mistake I have given. So this is my file name, okay, under src test. So now in order to run the test, right, so I have to go back to the src folder. The dot will take me back to the src folder, and then to run it I have to write this java, then I'll write test dot hello. So this is the class file. Hello world class file will be there in src test folder, right? And then but we if your file is under the direct repository, I mean direct folder of the project, you can simply write java space hello world. But if it is inside any other folder or any package, you have to give the package name like this. So you have to go inside src folder and then only you can give the package name. So here I was getting so much of issue because I was trying to build directly Java by giving the path, but it was not working. So you can just simply check it in the command prompt. So if I just give cd test, right? So it's under cd src, I mean src test. So if I write here Java space hello world, it will say that class not found. But then in order to run this file, I have to go back to the src folder. Till src folder you can go, and then you can give the command java. The package name here is test dot hello. Okay, now it is printing hello world. So the same thing you can simply come here and put it in your Jenkins project. You click on apply and save. Click on build now. It will start running the project, running the Java file, and it will be done in some time. You can click on this and then go to console output, and you can see how it is reading the data from get repository, right? And how it is going. All this command you can see over here, and finished success. It is already printing hello world. Okay, this is how you can create a Java I mean you can create a Jenkins project, Jenkins job also it is called, and you can see how it is building. So I will be showing you how to run a um, testing project or run a web automation project using Jenkins. If you have any questions, put in the comment section. Thank you everyone.